Start on the H5 table of contents. This is the public index users should open before guessing where a feature tutorial lives. The Track Chips group tutorials by capability area. Public links appear here only after upload and verification, so local drafts are not mixed into guidance. Use search to narrow the index to one feature family. This keeps users on the precise chapter instead of a long playlist. Each card shows language-matched YouTube links when both versions exist. Pick the learner's language before opening YouTube.